Hello friends, I'm Adam. Look at my monster trucks. I have so many in different colors. They're so cool. Let's play. It's going to be fun. Friends, look! This is my dragon monster truck. It's such a cool green color. The horns are orange. How awesome is that? It looks just like a dragon. I love it! Let's race with it! Now look at my snake truck. It's green like a real snake. It has big, cute eyes. I love how it rolls. It's so fast. Let's see what it can do. This is my shark truck. It's blue like the ocean. And it has superpowers. It can jump high and go really fast. I love playing with it in the water. Let's see what it can do. Look at my tiger truck. It's so beautiful. It's super fast, just like a tiger. Now I built a tower. Let's see if my monster truck can break it. This is going to be so much fun. I'm ready. Are you ready? Let's start and see if it works. Wow, we did it! Now I have a bowl of water. I'm going to add soap and wash my monster trucks. They'll be clean and shiny. Look, I'm making bubbles with a straw. Now I'm putting my monster trucks in the soapy water. It's going to be so much fun to see them float. They'll get clean and shiny. I'm so excited. Look, I'm making bubbles with the monster trucks in the water. It's so cool. The bubbles are floating around them. They look really good. I love this. Bye, friends! Thanks for joining me today. It was so much fun showing you my monster trucks. If you liked it, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.